angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors (ACE inhibitors) and angiotensin receptor blockers (ARBs) are two important classes of antihypertensive drugs that act on the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system but at different targets. ACE inhibitors are represented by drugs ending with -pril, such as captopril, enalapril, lisinopril, and ramipril, remembered with the mnemonic, "Cute elegant ladies rarely prefer quick fancy big modern treats." These drugs inhibit the angiotensin-converting enzyme, blocking the conversion of angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2, which reduces vasoconstriction and aldosterone release, leading to vasodilation, decreased preload and afterload, and lowered blood pressure. They are widely used in hypertension, heart failure, post-myocardial infarction, and diabetic nephropathy. Their adverse effects are summarized by the mnemonic captopril, which stands for cough, angioedema, hyperkalemia due to potassium retention, taste disturbances, orthostatic hypertension, contraindicated in pregnancy, rash, increased renin, and low GFR, particularly in bilateral renal artery stenosis. ARBs, on the other hand, end with the suffix sartan, example losartan, valsartan, irbesartan, telmisartan, and act by directly blocking angiotensin 2, type 1 AT1 receptors. This prevents angiotensin 2 mediated vasoconstriction and aldosterone release, producing effects similar to ACE inhibitors such as lowering blood pressure and protecting renal function. ARBs share most therapeutic uses with ACE inhibitors, including hypertension, heart failure, and diabetic nephropathy, but are especially useful in patients who cannot tolerate ACE inhibitors due to persistent dry cough or angioedema. Unlike ACE inhibitors, ARBs do not increase bradykinin levels, hence they rarely cause cough and have a much lower incidence of angioedema. Both ACE inhibitors and ARBs are contraindicated in pregnancy, bilateral renal artery stenosis, and in patients with a prior history of angioedema. In clinical practice, ACE inhibitors are generally preferred as first-line agents for hypertension, heart failure, and post-myocardial infarction due to their stronger evidence base and cost-effectiveness. ARBs are preferred when ACE inhibitors are not tolerated, particularly in patients who develop dry cough or angioedema, while still providing equivalent cardiovascular and renal protection.